So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a woodworking book. So first, the thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold it in half like that. Then you're going to want to fold it in half again, like that. And then do that one more time. So now it's like this. So now you have your book. So then I like to make a project idea book, but you can make any type of book. So I'm going to label mine project. Project ideas for woodworking. So, project ideas for woodworking. Then you can like add a little light bulb or something for like the ideas. So you could do something like that. And then I just like to fill it out with some project ideas. So I'm gonna switch this video to the time lapse, and then I'll read it to you guys when it's done. Guys, now it's time for me to read it to you. So, project ideas for woodworking. Number 1 is a tree house. A tree house is perfect if you love nature. Number 2, a small gift box. Perfect if you love giving gifts. Number 3, a birdhouse. Perfect if you love nature and animals. Number 4, bird feeder. Perfect if you love nature and animals. Number 4, go-kart. Perfect if you like engineering, zooming around, and having fun. So guys, that is my book. So it's just a short little project idea book for woodworking. And you guys can like share some ideas that you did. So there, if you look in my posts, you can those little text posts. If you look in one of mine, you can actually comment on one that says woodworking book ideas. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.